All right, guys, another quick video for you. Okay, so VHO2. I wanted to use Desmos for this one to make it a little bit more viewable, right? To talk about what really happens with a vertical and horizontal shift, right? So the red function is x squared. That represents the parent function. Basically, all other quadratics in existence come from that, because that's where we start from, because it's the most simple form of a quadratic. F of x equals x squared. Now, the blue function had two transformations occur to it, clearly, which is why the origin went from 0, 0 to something different, right? So when we talk about the transformations, a lot of things happen to it, but one way to make it really easy to see is what happened to the function's vertex. Where did it go? So everything on the outside of the parentheses is something vertical and a truth teller. So I know that there's a +3 on the outside of the parentheses. It's something vertical, a vertical change had to happen, up or down, right? And it's a truth teller. So that means that this function went up 3 units. So and it did go up 3 units. So this is 1, 2, 3, right? So I went up 3 units. So this function says up 3. Inside the parentheses, two things you have to remember are true. One, if there's a number change or a change in general, inside parentheses, it is a horizontal change. Any kind of horizontal change, all right? And the second thing to remember is it's a liar. So if I knew that the 3 was on the outside of the parentheses, I know it's something vertical and I know it's the truth. The -2 here represents something horizontal, like a left or right change, and it's a liar. So if it's a liar, and we usually associate negative on a number line towards the left, it's a liar because it's actually to the right. So this function's vertex went from 0, 0 to 2, 3, because I went up 3 units and right 2, okay? So this indicates an up 3, and that part indicates right 2. Right now, if I were to do another one, because I don't want to go back to the computer for this to make it simpler, let's say that I went from the parent function and I gave you something that looked like this. F of x equals x plus 1 squared minus 10, okay? Truth teller, vertical, down 10. Horizontal, liar, left 1. It's as easy as that, all right? That's all we're talking about right now, all right? Easy. Bye. 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 Bye.